Okay, so great everyone. Again, good evening from my side. And today, this is a webinar on digital marketing in AI for educators. And again, we'll be learning about how to generate free quality leads with your online presence, a small case study on it. And before I start the webinar, there is a small poll for everyone. Just would like to know about the profile of the participants, means why you want to learn about the digital marketing, like for your knowledge, or you want to promote your classes, or already running some campaigns and want to improve it, or want to promote your school or education institute using digital marketing, or to earn side income, right? So requesting everyone to give the response over there.
phone number or email डाल दो.
So I can largely see people. So there are largely 3 responses are coming for my knowledge and upskilling. I want to promote my classes using digital marketing and already running some campaign and want to improve it. So these are the feedback that I'm getting from everyone. So no one here had to earn side income or want to promote their schools and institute. Okay, so thank you everyone for giving the understanding, and I can see. Okay, thank you everyone for responding to it. And so largely for this profile, largely we get a participant. Those are the coaching owner, private tutor, school admin, private training institute, freelance trainers, anyone who is planning to start an education venture, or educators for their own knowledge, right? So these are the profile largely is going to be there in this webinar. And so before I begin, just quickly let me share what exactly we do at App Educators. Right, so App Educators, we are a Google for Education partner company, and we are one of the leading institute in India. Okay, I mute everyone, just 1 minute. So we help educators in becoming proficient in using technological tools, either in the teaching learning process or in the marketing, right? So this is what exactly we do. And so far, in last 2.5 years, we have trained nearly about 10,000 educators in India. And these educators are there from different education institute, different schools and colleges. So this is like we have trained so far 10,000 educators. And these educators are there from different education institutes, nearly about 3,000 educational institutes, and from 25 countries. And we have helped nearly about 600 educators in becoming Google or Microsoft certified educator as well. So this is what exactly we do. And I'll be taking this webinar. And I have more than 10 years of experience in education sector as well as in digital marketing. And I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist. And again, I'm a Google certified trainer, right? So this is all about me. And I'll be taking this webinar for next 1 year. And okay, so directly I'll come to the point here, right? So since most of you are from the Education Institute, I hope. So here you can see, if you go 5 years back, right, of 6 years back, 7 years back, largely for the success of any of the education institute, whether you are a coaching class or whether you are having a school, I think largely the success was depending upon physical assets, right? Everyone, this I'm talking about 5 to 7 years, but now scenario have changed. So now largely the success of an education institute is not largely depending upon only the physical asset, but as well as on digital assets. What are digital assets? Digital assets can be your website, it can be your YouTube channel, it can be your online presence on Google, it can be your own digital skill sets, right? So now digital assets are becoming more important than the physical assets. Agree with everyone? So here come some of the examples, right? So if you see teachers who become entrepreneurs using these digital skill sets, starting from Byju's, Unacademy, or Khan Academy. So they have millions of students across the world, and they don't have any physical infrastructure. They only have the digital infrastructure. It can be their website, it can be their social media channel, or it can be YouTube channel, right? So That's it they have. They don't have any physical infrastructure, right? So that is the importance of having the digital assets in your company. So any good teacher plus digital asset equal to success, right? So this is the new definition. And some of the participants are new to what is digital marketing. So just let me brief you what is digital marketing. So let's understand what is traditional marketing. So traditional marketing means, so when you do any hoardings, this kind of hoarding, when you put in front of any school, that is a part of traditional marketing. When you give any online, when you give any newspaper ad, that is a part of traditional marketing. Or when you distribute the flyers or putting the posters, right? Those are the example of digital marketing. Sorry, traditional marketing. So what is digital marketing? So here some of the example. So when you have a website, is a part of your digital marketing. Anything on Facebook, Instagram, social media is a part of digital marketing. Your YouTube channel is a part of digital marketing. Any email you're doing is a part of digital marketing, right? And any ad that you're giving in online newspaper like Times of India online is a part of digital marketing. And when somebody searching you, right, writing like searching for your courses, and when your information is coming on Google search, again that is a part of digital marketing, right? So why educators and educational institutes are moving toward digital marketing? Anyone would like to say something over here? Why educators and educational institutes are moving toward digital marketing? Anyone? Okay, to take the institute online. Okay, anyone else? Okay, so let me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, core madam.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. So educators and educational institutes are moving toward digital marketing largely. If you see, students are spending nearly about 4 to 7 hours on digital tools. So if your target audience is students, then that is the best medium to target them, right? Then you can launch your courses quickly. What does it mean? For example, you are thinking to start a course. What exactly we do? First of all, we prepare the course material, right? We prepare the videos, questions, and everything. So that nearly about a couple of months and huge amount of investment, right? So basically, even I did nearly about 20 to 25 course launch in 8 to 10 years. So previously, we used to spend this much amount of money in couple of months to develop a course. But now what exactly we do? We do not build the course first. What we do? We do beta marketing first. What is beta marketing? Beta marketing means we prepare a web page and we do some advertisement on Facebook or Instagram by paying 500 rupees, and we get whether people are ready to pay the amount that I'm charging, what kind of course material they are looking for, or whether they are ready to join my course or not, right? So that just by spending 500 or 1000 rupees, I am getting the exact feedback whether I should launch a course or not. Parents are making decision based on online presence and reviews. Do you make decision based on online reviews and presence? Anyone? Whenever you or your kids, your children are joining any of the courses, do you take decision based on online presence and reviews? Anyone? So requesting everyone be interactive, right, in the session, so that I will able to share more. I'll able to get to know more about your profile, and we'll able to share more insight. Anyone? Okay. And the best part, it can be done at the 1/10th cost of the traditional marketing, right? So for example, if you have to give a newspaper ad in Times of India, right? How much amount we have to spend? Anyone, any idea? How much amount we have to spend if you have to give an ad in any of the newspaper? Largely around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupee. But for example, I want to start an ad in Times of India. Sorry, I want to start an ad in Facebook or Instagram. How much minimum amount we have to spend in a day? Any idea? Anyone? What is the minimum cost that you have to invest in Facebook or Instagram in case you want to start an advertisement over there? Any idea? It is less than 100 rupees. You can reach out to global audience. It is completely measurable. And again, with the arrival of 5G and Web 3.0, the usage of digital devices will increase further. What does it mean? the more it will increase the need of digital marketing, because if more people are going to be on digital devices, I think then you can target them only using digital marketing. So these are the reason why people are moving toward digital marketing. But what are the challenges educators are facing? Anyone would like to say something? What are the challenges educators are facing in terms of digital marketing? Anything? What are the challenges? Anyone, are you facing any of the challenges or no challenge? Anyone? Are you facing any kind of challenges? Participants? Some response from the participants? Okay. So the challenges that educators are facing, right? So do not know anything about digital marketing. Digital marketing is very costly. That is, we never thought of it, right? People do assume it is a very costly medium. Not able to get the work done from an agency, and running some digital marketing activities, but not getting the desired result, right? So those are the challenges that participants are facing. Now, the first question, which is a very important question for everyone, is learning digital marketing a difficult task? Is learning digital marketing a difficult task? Anyone? Okay. So largely, if you see, whenever you talk about digital marketing with anyone, right? Any one of your friends, colleagues, relatives, what they will tell? Yes, digital marketing is very good, but you need to know Facebook, Instagram, Reels, Stories, website optimization. Then you have LinkedIn, YouTube, right? So many things are there. What happened? We get scared. इतनी सब चीजें कौन सीखेगा, right? We get scared of so many tools and technology which are there in digital marketing. But a very good example over here. So for example, if you have 5 cars at your home, and you do not know driving, right? So how many cars you have to learn? One car or all the cars? Anyone? If you do not know driving and you have 5 cars at home, so we need to learn only, we don't need to learn 5 cars. We need to learn only 1 car, right? Similarly, in digital marketing as well, even though you do not know all the tools, you just have to learn one tool. One digital marketing tool, if you learn, you can easily learn other tools. For example, if you learn Instagram, you can easily learn Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any other platforms, right? So you do not learn each and everything from ground zero. And the second thing, which is the most important part, like that is Pareto principle. What does the Pareto principle say? 20% of your efforts will give you 80% of the result, and remaining 80% of the effort will give you 20% of the result. So as an educator, as a coaching class owner, you should be aware of which are the 20% efforts that you should put in digital marketing, which can give you 80% of the result. So you no need for you to knowing about 100% of digital marketing. Even if you know 20% of digital marketing, which is relevant in education sector, I think you can get 80% of the result. Right? Sometimes people do face difficulty in identifying the digital marketing agency, because in case if you are not aware of anything of digital marketing, then firstly, you face lots of difficulty in identifying the right person only, right? Because since you are not aware of any part of digital marketing, so even you may not able for your work. And another thing, not getting the desired result from current marketing campaign, right? So we learn many campaign. Some of the participants are already using social media and Facebook to run some campaign, but they are not getting the right result, because digital marketing is a combination of these 5 things, right? Strategy for your business goal, research, targeting, communication, and design. So until unless you are not using these right 5 strategies, you won't be able to get the result. So we'll be discussing about this strategy in the meanwhile. And so basically, to help educators in their approach of generating good quality lead at minimum cost. So this is the course that we have designed for coaching owner, school admin, freelancers, right? And basic to advanced. So here, let me start with a case study. Kavita is planning to start, and so this is the structure of our training program. So we are starting from here. Kavita is planning to start an education institute offering English classes in Jaipur. What she should be doing first to promote her institute? Anyone? For example, you're planning to start your education classes. How you're going to start promoting your classes? Anyone?
Through social media.
Through social media? Okay, anyone else? Any other answer from the participants? So basically, the first thing happened, we need to build a website, right? Because that is the first part, because website is your shop in the physical world, right? The way that we have shop in the physical world, website is your presence in the online world. So first of all, you need a website, right? To share information about the classes, to collect the leads on the website and visibility on Google search. If somebody is searching for, let's suppose, coding classes in Nagpur, then your name should come first. So anyone, you know how much amount we have to invest to build a website? Anyone? How much amount we have to invest to build a website? Any idea? Anyone? So let me show you one of the website, right? So anyone, any idea how much cost you have to incur to create a website? So for example, I'm showing you a couple of websites. Right. So this is one of the website selling robotics courses. This is another website for the tuition classes of science, right? So for example, let me show you, this is a free website, right? So you do not have to invest a single rupee to create this kind of website, right? Wherein you can share the success stories of your students like this. You can even share your learning resources like this. So you do not have to share even the learning resources. You can share your learning resources on this website like this, where you can have your own PPT, PDF file, right? And even you can have a video gallery like this. So you can publish the videos. So everything is possible. And finally, whenever you are organizing any kind of webinar or seminar, even you can register the name for the webinar and seminar through this registration page. And this website is completely free of charge. So you do not have to spend a single rupee to create this kind of website. And again, let me show you. Even if you are planning to sell some courses using your website, even you can sell some courses using this website. So if I click onto here, it will take me to enroll now, and I can pick the payment over here like this, right? So this is a complete free website. Let me show you how technical or easy is the process to create a website like this. So for example, this is a blank page of this website, right everyone? So for example, I need a banner over here. So I'm clicking on image on the left hand side. I'm clicking on select. Then I'm clicking on search over here. And for example, I need a school building. I am writing a school building over here. And that building is here, right? So no technical process is there. We can create, likewise, you can create a complete website. Similarly, you will be learning another professional website as well. So this is the second website that you will be learning, a professional website. Can you see? Right. And this website definitely has some cost, but anyone can you tell me the approximate idea how much amount you spend to get a website like this? It is just 160 rupees per month. That's it, including everything, right? So website is the first thing that you should have in whenever you are planning to start a digital marketing part. For example, when you register for the workshop, right? So let me show you. When you register for the workshop, this was the page. So again, this is a website page only, like this, where you came and register for the webinar. So for this, for your own seminars and webinar, you have to generate this kind of, you have to create this kind of landing pages. So again, this landing pages you can create completely free of charge. Right, everyone? After website, what people will do, so let me come back over here. after your website. The second most important thing, she also want when someone searches for English classes in Jaipur, her institute name should come first. What she should do? Anyone? For example, you're offering English classes in Jaipur, and what do you want on Google? If anyone searching for English classes in Jaipur, you want your institute name should be there. So what you can do? Anyone? Any idea? So here I'm typing English classes in Jaipur. Can you see everyone? This kind of pages are coming. What do you call this kind of pages? Any idea? Anyone, any idea? What do you call this kind of pages? These pages are called Google business page. And how much amount we have to invest to create this kind of pages? Anyone? What is the amount that you have to invest to create this kind of pages? It's completely free, right? So what does it mean? If you're offering any classes and if you're having this kind of pages, right? Then what does it mean? You can get direct admission for your institute, right? So these are called Google business page. And how to create a Google business page? Let me show it to you. So anyone, are you there or not? Because I am not finding any interaction from the participants. Anyone, are you there or not?
Here, sir.
Hmm?
Here available.
Okay. Other participants, anyone? Okay. I can see two participants are here. Okay, not an issue. So basically, if you have to create a Google business page, like, so what you have to do, you have to go to Gmail, something like this. I'm going to a Gmail ID. We are just going to Gmail ID. So Google business page can be created using Gmail ID. So I'm going to Gmail. Under Gmail, you will find something called Business Profile Manager, like this. So we have to click on Business Profile Manager. And in the Business Profile Manager, for example, I have to create a page for my classes, English classes, right? So I'm adding a Google business page over here. And the first thing will come, what should be my business name? My class name is Upspeak. So what should be my business name? Anyone? What should be my class name is Upspeak. So what should I write? What should I write over here? And we own English classes. So what exactly we should write? So largely, most of the participants will write Upspeak. But this is a wrong strategy. Why? Because people are not searching you by Upspeak, they are searching you by English classes. So ideally, what we should be writing? English classes by Upspeak, right? Now, again, the second question is coming to my mind. What means, how do I know people are searching for English classes by typing only English classes? They may be searching by English Academy, English Institute, spoken English classes. So what people are searching for to find any English classes in your area? Anyone? So how do you find what people are searching on internet? So there is a tool available. Again, this is a free tool that can be used on here. Here I am. So here I am there. So basically, whatever we are typing on Google, right? So Google has this information, how many people are searching for English classes, how many people are searching for spoken English classes, right? In any of the area in India. So basically, we are asking this information directly from Google. So here I'm clicking get search for event forecast and I am typing English classes, spoken English classes, then English Institute, right? And search. So basically, Google will tell us what is the most popular keyword that people are using. So here you can see largely people are using not English classes, but spoken English classes. So ideally, what should be the name of our institute? The name should be Spoken English Classes by Upspeak. Understand everyone? So these are some of the strategies by which you can bring your Google business page on top of the search result. Nearly about 7 to 8 other strategies are there which can help you to bring your pages like here on the top. Right? Even Google business page will help you to show your reviews. For example, this is our page, Up Educators. Right? So if you go to Up Educators, you will see nearly about 1100 Google reviews are there with 4.9 out of 5 rating. Right? So this will Google business page is very important for any of the education institute. So now again coming back to the presentation. Then, okay. Content for website. For her website, she needs some guidance on what kind of content she should publish on her website. So how do I know? Means, for example, I'm going to run a banking classes. I'm going to start an English institute. I'm going to start classes for banking. What kind of information should I write on my website? So again, there are a couple of tools are available. Google Keyword Planner, alsoask.com and AI tools. So let me use one of the tool over here by the name of alsoask.com. And here we are going. Right. For example, I want to start banking classes. So in this alsoask.com, alsoask will tell me what kind of queries. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me change the name of country. Right. So when anybody is searching for banking classes, this kind of information we should be having on our website. Right. So these are the information are there which we should be having whenever we have a website for banking classes. This kind of question people have in their mind when they are searching for banking classes. It's become best for banking, how I can join a bank job, how I can study for bank, which exams are good for banking, which study is best for bank job, right? So these are the different questions that they have in their mind when they are searching for bank classes. So how you can use this information? You can even use this information for writing your blog, for writing article, for writing messages, even for writing any blog, any webinar title, right? So this is the way you can use the information for your website, right? So again, you need a logo for your website. How much amount you have to invest to prepare a logo for your website? Anyone? Any idea? How much amount we need to invest to prepare a logo for our website? Anyone? How much amount we have to invest? Sarika ji, any idea? 5,000? Okay. Anyone else? Right. So first of all, why we need a logo, right? So whenever we're studying in the education institute, if you want to give a professional image to your education institute, you need a logo, right? So for example, let me go over here and there is a tool. Again, this is a free tool available for everyone, brandmark.io. Brandmark.io. When I'm clicking on this logo, for example, name of my education institute is Upspeak. I think up speak, and I want to slogan, help you to learn communication. Certain keywords that I need on my logo: English, classes, learning, student, teacher. Now it is asking me for colors. So I'm selecting any of one of the color. And the AI is generating, this is a free tool, and the entire process of creating a logo we could able to do it within 1 minute. Can you see everyone? So which logo you're liking? So hundreds of options are you are getting, and this is completely plagiarized free. So you don't have to worry about the copyright or plagiarism. Right, everyone? Is it clear? So we created so many logos, right, for our education institute within 1 minute using AI tools. Now, she also want to understand what her competitors are doing, what areas of competitors are doing well, what keywords people are typing before they are visiting the competitor website. So you need to learn lot many things about your competitor as well, right? And then we have, for competitors, we have this model by the name of research and competitor analysis, where you will be learning what your competitors are doing. So your competitors maybe from your city, from outside your city, from anywhere, you can learn anyone who is doing same kind of business, whether from your city or from other city, using this model called research and competitor analysis. She want to prepare marketing material for her institute, which includes brochure, posts, and banners. How she can prepare the marketing material? Anyone? How much do we invest to prepare the marketing material? So again, here you will be learning couple of tools, couple of things. You'll be learning about copyright principles, design science, what kind of color we should take, AI tools to create the images, and again, advanced Canva, right? So those are the things that we'll be learning, and we'll be learning how to design the models, right? So let me take you through. Again, you'll be learning the copyright principle of AIDA, pass, BAP, 5 objections. So many AI copywriting techniques are there. And again, we'll be using AI to generate image. So AI to generate image, let me take you through the example. Have you heard of Midjourney? Anyone? So basically now where we are coming with the help of AI. So you do not have to even create the images nowadays, right? We just need to pass on the command like this. Let me show you the example over here. So for example, we wanted an image like this. So image where a teacher is teaching in the class. So what exactly I've written? Teacher sitting graphic design on presentation in classroom, Indian female teacher, classroom background, close look on teacher. So I'm getting the images now directly like this. So we are even preparing our images using the AI tools. So many images are there, right? Modern Indian young mother helping 8-year-old son in studies using laptop. Home background and realistic images, right? And I got my images. So this is the way AI is going. So you'll be learning about this tool. So here, teacher learning coding, right? So all for whatever post that we need for the Facebook and Instagram, we create most of the images from this AI tool. So we don't have to create the images. We just have to write the prompt and we get the images. Even brochure and posters as well. Right, I'll tell you some. This is for the brochures. Coming back, right? These are the images generated using the AI tools. Right. After it, again, you'll be learning about different designs in Canva. Again, you'll be learning about video editing tool, how to edit the videos, how to prepare the videos, how to prepare the video advertisements, everything over here, right? And again, okay, so we are going social media organic, right? So social media is very important for everyone to increase your business, to increase your reach, to increase your visibility. So the next tool that you'll be learning over here is social media organic, right? So where you'll be learning about how to forex your followers on Facebook and Instagram, how to use social media to create awareness to get more leads, most popular social media accounts of schools and colleges and coaching center. So everything on social media organic will be learning over here. Social media will play a very important role for the growth of your institute, right? After social media, again, you need to know about paid campaign in social media. Paid campaign means where we can run the campaign, we can make the payment to Facebook to generate quality leads. So in social media, we have to use both the free campaign as well as the paid campaign. So let me show you some example of a free campaign. For example, if you go to our website, you will see nearly about 1,75,000 teachers are following us on Facebook and nearly about 25,000 on Instagram. If I click over here, so here you can see nearly about 1,95,000 teachers. So this is the way you will be learning about how to create organic content for your social media, right? And similarly, the paid one. So how we have reached to 1,95,000, we'll be sharing everything with you. Then again, you'll be learning about how to design a very interactive and engaging webinar and demo classes. All right, so you'll be learning best practices of designing the demo class, best practices of designing the webinar, design a webinar and demo class landing page, right? So everything you'll be learning it over here. All right, so finally, I'll just take you through all, summarize the result. Okay. So other topics that you'll be learning over here is on Google search ads, Google Analytics, Excel sheet for analysis, database marketing and education, right? Artificial intelligence apps. Then again, some masterclasses are there on chatbot, on YouTube, on advanced Facebook masterclass, on advanced Google Ads masterclass, WhatsApp marketing masterclass, advanced SEO masterclass. So these are the different topics, additional topics that we have, right? And how this course is different from other digital marketing course, which are all not meant for educators, because they are also teaching Facebook, Google website and everything. So basically what is happening in our training program, all the things which we are offering are customized for the education industry. So all the case studies, all the example that you are going to learn are going to be from educators' point of view, whether you are doing a marketing for a school, coaching class, your own training class, your own EdTech institute. So everything is pertaining to education institute. Right. And this is the detail. So we are offering 5 weeks live training program, 8 master classes, 10 assignments, learning material, and again, certification from UP educators. So, and this is the certification that you'll be getting, certificate on completion from UP educators and Google for Education Partner. And the next batch we are starting on 28th of August, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8:30 to 10 p.m. timing. And the fees is going to be 9,900 rupees, inclusive all. Right? So, yeah, any other, okay, so before I take the queries, okay. So anyone who would like to know more about this digital marketing course for the educators, you can give a response over there. Yes, no, maybe. So I can see, I think half of the participants have given the response. So requesting other participants as well. It can be yes, no, maybe. Okay, great. So only 3 participants have not given the response. It's okay. So any other queries from the participants? Any other, right? So I can take you through our website for more information. You can also visit to our website. That is www.upeducators.com. Right. Other different courses that we are offering for the educators are also published over here, like Google Certified Educator course, Microsoft Certified Educator course, STEM Robotics course for the teachers, Professional Certificate in Innovative Teaching Practices, and Certificate in A to Z of Online Teaching. So these are the different courses that we are offering. Right? Any other queries from the participants? In case you want to see the reviews of other participants, those who joined our training program, you can go to our digital marketing course for the educators, and you will see over here nearly about 100 of video reviews are there, right, where participants are sharing their responses and what benefit they received with the help of this training program. So you can see all the different video reviews are here. Anything else before we end the webinar? Anyone? Participants? Can you provide a written material? So basically, you'll be getting presentations from our side. Sarika, you'll be getting presentation from our side, and as well as the recording of all the classes. So though all the classes are going to be live classes, but in case you miss any of the classes, you will be getting the recording of the same class. Anything else from the participants? Okay, everyone. Thank you very much for being here for this webinar on digital marketing for educators. Any question? I'll just keep it for next 30 seconds before I end the session. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much for being here.